In this video, let's talk about it is safe to run 30mm wheel spacers on your Discovery. Let's go. Wheel spacers are a kind of safe and reliable wheel accessory. As long as you install them correctly, they will not cause any problems. We recommend the use of half-century spacers or half-century rings. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.